In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a product in Xero step by step. Whether you're setting up your accounting system for the first time or simply adding new items to sell to your customers, knowing how to correctly create products and services in Xero is essential for accurate invoicing and reporting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently create a new product, assign the right accounts, and make sure your pricing and tax settings are correct. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Business. From the drop-down menu, select Products and Services. This is where all the items you sell or purchase are stored. You'll see a list of existing products if you've already created some. To add a new product, click on the New Item button, usually labeled as Plus New Item. This will open the item creation screen where you can enter all the necessary details. Start by entering the item code. The item code is a unique identifier for your product. It can be a short abbreviation or SKU that makes it easy to search for later. Make sure it's something clear and consistent with your naming system. Next, enter the name of the product. This is the name that will appear on invoices, quotes, and other sales documents, so make it clear and descriptive for your customers. Now you'll see an option that says, I sell this item. Check this box if you plan to sell this product to customers, which in most cases you will. Once you check it, additional sales fields will appear. In the unit price field, enter the price you charge per unit of this product. Be sure this matches your standard pricing. If your prices vary, you can still edit them later when creating invoices, but it's good practice to enter your default price here. Then, select the correct sales account. This is very important because it determines where the income from this product will be recorded in your chart of accounts. For example, you might choose a sales or revenue account. Selecting the correct account ensures your financial reports remain accurate. After that, choose the appropriate tax rate. Depending on your country and tax setup, this could be VAT, GST, or another sales tax. Make sure you select the correct rate so that Xero automatically calculates tax correctly on invoices. If you also purchase this item from a supplier, you can check the box that says, I purchased this item. This is optional. If you check it, additional fields will appear for purchase details, including the cost price and the purchase account. Fill these in if you want to track expenses related to buying this product. Once you've entered all the required information, review everything carefully. Double-check your item code, name, pricing, accounts, and tax rate. Accuracy here prevents accounting issues later. Finally, click Save. Your new product will now appear in the Products and Services list, and it will be available to select when creating invoices, bills, quotes, and other transactions. And that's it. You've successfully added a product in Xero. As you can see, the process is straightforward, but entering the correct financial details is key to keeping your bookkeeping clean and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials and accounting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.